Hello friends, are you tired of your phone's lackluster camera? Do you want your mid-budget smartphone to challenge a DSLR? Then what we are about to show you today will truly blow your mind. Meet the biggest game changer yet. Presenting the Nokia Eve Max 5G. Is this phone truly coming with 200 megapixels? Can its performance handle every heavy game? And most importantly, will it fit your budget? The curtain will rise on all these secrets in this one video. So without delay, smash the like button, and let's go straight to the phone's epic features. Let's start. Features of the Nokia Eve Max 5G. Display. First up, the phone's look. The moment you hold the Nokia Eve Max 5G, you will get a premium feel. It gives you a massive 6.95-inch QHD plus Super AMOLED display. It's not just big, it's brilliant. Plus, its 120Hz refresh rate and 390Hz touch sampling rate. That means gaming will be butter smooth, and scrolling will be so fluid, you'll feel like you're gliding your finger over water. Now, say goodbye to fear. Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection and an IP68 rating. Drop it in water, or run it through dust, nothing will happen to this phone. Camera setup. Now, what everyone was waiting for. The camera. And here, Nokia has hit the jackpot. Get ready, this phone is offering a 200 megapixel primary sensor. Yes, 200 megapixels. Can you imagine? Now, your photo won't pixelate even on zooming. You'll be able to capture every tiny detail in your pictures. This is DSLR level clarity, boss. Accompanying it are a 50 megapixel ultra wide, and a 12 megapixel telephoto lens. Meaning perfect group shots, sharp zoom shots, and for all you selfie lovers, you get a 48 megapixel front camera. Say cheese. Performance. Talking about the processor, this monster is loaded with Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 processor. Whether it's PUBG or Genshin Impact, this phone will not lag even a bit. With 12GB RAM, open as many apps as you want, the phone will not give up. And regarding the operating system, you will get the latest Android 16. Battery and charging. Now, let's talk about the thing that keeps us away from the charger. The battery. You get a 7500 mAh monster battery. And you won't have to wait for hours to charge it. 100-watt fast charging. 100% charge in just 25 minutes. Price and launch date. So, after such fantastic features, the biggest question is, how much does this phone cost? According to leaks, the expected price of the Nokia Eve Max 5G could be around $900. Considering the features, this is a fantastic deal. And about the launch date, there's no official confirmation yet, but leaks suggest this phone could take the market by storm by the middle of 2026. What feature of the Nokia Eve Max 5G are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below.